Hey everyone, welcome back to Limelight for more heartwarming contents on animal rescues. A group of people came across this sick puppy on the street. He was alone, so they took him under their care. He grew up so fast and was happy to be with them. Everyone was glad to have him around to play with. Puppies are so incredibly cute that you just want to pet them as soon as you set their eyes on them. Just have a look at how he's drinking his milk. People with big hearts don't forget to help the little guys, like the cat under that bridge there. A successful rescue mission completed. Another lucky squirrel got his dose of water from a kind-hearted person who did offer his water to the tiny squirrel without a second thought. The squirrel then climbed onto the man's hand as he was feeling safe and sound with him. Most people don't believe that a lion can be hurt. This one's injured pretty badly. The vets thankfully arrived on time and started to work on saving her life. Luckily, they succeeded in their jobs once again.
And you look like you're really mad. Where's the other one at?
Having the longest necks on the planet must be exhausting for giraffes. It's even more problematic when they fall down. In this situation, people assisted the giraffe to get back up on four, and the giraffe's silent look seemed like a thank you.
Yes!
When the tides wash things offshore, some sea turtles come with them. It's a terrible struggle for them to go back to the water. Thanks to guys like him, the animals are safe and still alive.
Oh my god.
Breeding dogs must be this man's hobby he can't give up. He's feeding them meat, and you can see the happy look on their faces.
Sıpa geçsene. Gel. Oğlum. Merhaba dayı.
Ha, sağ ol. Taşıyoruz ya. Gel.
Lions would never harm a person who took care of them. They must have been friends for a long time now. Would you be okay if you had a pet like that? Let us know in the comments down below.
Save the dolphin.
A stranger feeds these dogs whenever he's got a chance to do so. He doesn't ask for money or anything in return for his work, as this guy has a heart of gold. Look at how happy all these dogs are to be eating.
Good.
Another couple of friends are taking care of a stray dog in cold, snowy weather by giving him food to eat. Another dog passed by in hopes of eating. Luckily, everyone is welcome to the dinner there in their hands. The guy was walking around a river when he stumbled upon a tiny friend. It was a small and cute otter. He took it with himself and cared for him. Such a good man with a kind heart. Animals get into trouble and can't get out of it on their own. With the help of this excavator and the open-hearted person controlling it, a poor deer that's stuck in the muddy area escaped its captivity. A random stranger found a couple of street puppies who were exhausted and hungry for a while. They didn't have the energy to sit up. They were then given some food to eat, which helped them get energized and more alive. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to take care of your pets and not to hurt animals.